Welcome back to Boring Astronomy. I'm Alessandro, your astronomer next door. Today on Boring Astronomy, the astrophysical object of August 2024 is SS Cygni. Boring Astronomy. For our friends in Paris who just hosted the Olympic Games, we're going to pretend we are in Paris. It's getting night, and we move to the middle of the night, and let's look where SS Cygni is located. And is very much on top of your head in the middle of the night in the center of the Milky Way. How beautiful is this? Already Stellarium is telling us the coordinates, and is telling us the magnitude is just under the capabilities of the human eye. The human eye is able to see down to magnitude 6. This object is a magnitude 7. So if you already have a good binocular, you're good to go. For you to identify it, just have a feeling of where it is located. This is the Cygnus, the swan. So these are the wings. This is the neck. This is the tail. At the end of the tail, you see there's a bright star that is Deneb. It's one of the brightest stars in the sky. You just go a little bit towards east, and you'll find it. Nice and easy. What does Simbad tells us about SS Cygni? Simbad says that SS Cygni is a cataclysmic binary. This means that this is a binary star, so it's two stars. One is very, very compact, and the other one is a star a little bit cooler than the Sun, which is so close to the main star that is deformed by its gravity and actually losing matter on top of this star. How do we know this? Well, the thing is, we have been observing this star for a long time. And when I mean a long time, I mean that there is this light curve from the American Association of Variable Stars Observers, which spans more than a century. So this is the average of observations done every day since 1900 to 2010. And you can see that there are these variations which are normal, are common for this kind of star. Many people consider this a stereotypical dwarf nova, so an object which has this kind of behavior. There's one author specifically, Franco Giovannelli, good friend, who actually insists that in fact this star has a magnetic primary star. He has a very good point, in the sense other stars which are known to have a magnetic field, they have very similar astrophysical parameters, so it is a reasonable assumption. But as far as I know, no one has done any observation which completely rules out that this star does not have a magnetic field. If we were to look at this star in other wavelengths, we would see that in the optical this is very much quite a boring star. It's just an average star, a point in the sky. But if we move towards the ultraviolet, we already start to see that it's a very, very, very bright star. And in soft X-rays observed by XMM Newton, this is a super bright star. If I move towards the other side of the spectrum, in near infrared, again it starts to be a little bit more boring, and in radio is very much barely detectable. So this was the astrophysical object of the month for August 2024. If you have suggestions for other objects for this month, coming months, go ahead, suggest. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and Get bored. Ciao.